Welcome to my English class, kids. How are you today? I hope everyone is safe and healthy out there. Today, in Module 6, Food, Please, you are going to learn some imperatives in cooking or cooking directions. Imperative is used to give commands, orders, or instructions. Today, you are going to learn the imperatives used in cooking, or in other words, the cooking directions. Did your mother have any recipe books at home? Have you ever tried to peek at it? If no, try to have a look at your mom's recipe books. If yes, then you may try some of the recipe later with your mom's guidance. Cooking verbs. Cooking verbs frequently appears when reading the cooking directions or instructions of recipe. Let's see some of the cooking verbs used in the cooking direction in the recipe books. There are 12 cooking verbs that you are going to learn today. The first one is add. Repeat after me. Add. A-D-D. Add. Okay, the meaning is to put one ingredient with the others. Okay, for example, look at this picture. Add some spices. Okay, the second one is break. Repeat after me. Break. B-R-E-A-K. Break. The meaning is to separate into smaller parts by using force. Okay, for example, look at this picture. Break the egg into a glass bowl. Okay, the next cooking verb is beat. Beat. Okay, say after me. Beat. B-E-A-T. Beat. Okay, the meaning is to stir, okay, usually eggs or cream, quickly and continually to make a smooth mixture. Okay, to stir quickly and continually to make a smooth mixture. Okay, for example, look at this picture. Beat the cream until it starts to thicken. Okay, the next cooking verb is cook. Say after me, cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. Okay, the meaning is to prepare food by heating it so that it is not raw and can be eaten. Okay, so look at this picture. Cook the chicken until there are no pink parts. Okay, cook the chicken until there are no pink parts. Okay, the next cooking verb is cut. Say after me, cut. C-U-T. Cut. Very good. Okay, the meaning is to separate or divide a solid by using a knife. Okay, now look at this picture. Okay, the example is cut the spring onion. Okay, the next cooking verb is fry. Fry. Say after me. Fry. F-R-Y. Fry. Okay, the meaning is to cook by putting the food into very hot oil. Okay, to cook by putting the food into very hot oil. Okay, for example, look at this picture. Fry some chicken for 15 minutes. Okay, fry some chicken for 15 minutes. The next cooking verb is garnish. Garnish. Repeat after me. Garnish. G-A-R-N-I-S-H. Garnish. Okay? The meaning is to decorate, cook, or prepare food. Okay? To decorate, cook, or prepare food. For example, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Okay? Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. The next cooking verb is mix. Mix. Okay, say after me. Mix. M-I-X. Mix. Okay, the meaning is to combine two or more things using a spoon, spatula, or electric mixer. Okay, for example, look at this picture. Mix the jicama, carrots, and spring onions together. Okay, class, the next cooking verb is pour. Pour. Say after me. Pour. P-O-U-R. Pour. Okay, the meaning is to transfer liquid from one container to another place. Okay, for example, look at this picture. Pour some milk into the coffee. Okay, the next one is serve. Serve. Say after me. Serve. S-E-R-V-E. Serve. Okay, the meaning is give out food and drink at meal. Okay, for example, look at this picture. Serve the food and drink. Okay, class, the next cooking verb is stir. Stir. Say after me. Stir. S-T-I-R. Stir. Okay, the meaning is to mix, okay, the liquid ingredients by moving the spoon around in a circular motion. Okay, to mix ingredients by moving the spoon around in a circular motion. For example, stir the soup in the pot. Okay, stir. Okay, in a circular motion. Stir the soup in the pot. Okay, class. The last cooking verb that you are going to learn today is whisk. Whisk. Okay? Say after me. Whisk. W-H-I-S-K. Whisk. Okay? The meaning is to stir liquid with a light, rapid movement using a fork or a special tool. Okay? Now look at this picture, the example. Whisk the eggs together with the milk. Okay? Okay, class, now let's do some practice. Okay, kids. Now look at the cooking direction. Okay, the cooking direction and the picture. Okay? Look at the given picture and I want you to fill in the blanks with the suitable cooking verbs. Okay, I give you a few seconds to choose the suitable cooking verbs. What's your answer? Okay, now let's check your answers. Okay, blank the eggs and blank them with milk. So now look at the first picture. Okay, so the suitable cooking verbs to fill in here is, yes, break. Break the eggs and, okay, the second one, and mix them with milk. Okay, mix them with milk. Okay, now let's read together. Okay, break the eggs and mix them with milk. Okay, now I want you to say after me. Break the eggs and mix them with milk. Okay, break the eggs and mix them with milk. Okay, good job, kids. Okay, now look at the second cooking direction. Okay, this one, the cooking direction and the pictures. Okay, I want you to look at the pictures and fill in this cooking direction with the correct cooking verbs. Okay, by referring to this picture. I give you a few seconds to find your answer. Did you get your answers? Okay, now let's check your answers. Okay, the first one is cut up. Okay, cut up. Cut up the cheese and peppers and, okay, and what? Yes, and mix them with the eggs and milk. Okay, now I want you to say after me. Cut up the cheese and peppers and mix them with the eggs and milk. Okay, cut up the cheese and peppers. Cut up the cheese. Cut up the cheese and peppers and mix them with the eggs and milk. Did you get all correct? Very good, kids. Okay, class. Now look at this cooking direction and the picture. Okay, look at this picture. Can you tell me what is the suitable verb to write in this blank? Did you get the suitable cooking verb? Okay, now let's check your answer. Stir it all together well. Did you get correct? Great, kids. Okay, now let's repeat after me. Stir it all together well. Stir it all together well. Okay, you stir it all together well. Okay, the fourth cooking direction. Okay, look at this picture. Look at this picture. What do you think is the suitable cooking verb to write in this blank? Did you get your answer? Okay, now let's check your answer. Cook it all for 5 minutes, okay? Cook it all for 5 minutes. Okay, now say after me. Cook it all for 5 minutes. Very good. Okay, now look at the last cooking direction and the given picture. What is the suitable cooking verb to write in this blank? Did you get your answer? Okay, now let's check your answer. Serve your omelette with some bread. Okay, serve your omelette with some bread. Okay, now say after me. Serve your omelette with some bread. Serve your omelette with some bread. Okay, did you get the answer here correct? Yes, very good, kids. Awesome. Now, let's check today's task. Task A, Activity 1. Watch the video in the Google form through the given link. Then, complete the given cooking directions. Okay? So, in Task A, Activity 1, you need to watch a video in the Google form through this given link. I'll share this link in the Telegram too, okay? Then, complete the cooking direction by filling in the blanks with the correct cooking verb. Okay, so the question will be in the Google form. Okay, then check your answers. Once you get your result, okay, you are going to do activity 2. Okay, task A, activity 2. Copy the ingredients and the cooking directions of enoki mushroom omelette in your exercise book BI 1. Okay, I want you to copy the ingredients and the cooking direction with neat and legible handwriting. Okay, now we proceed to task B. Task B. Write your omelette recipe. Write down the ingredients and the cooking directions. Okay, so in this task, you need to write your own omelette recipe in your exercise book. Okay? Write down the ingredients and the cooking directions. Then, learn to prepare your omelette with your parents' help and guidance. Then, I want you to send this task together with your picture presenting your omelette. Okay? Easy, right? Yes, I hope you have fun in making your omelette with your parents' help. Now, we have come to the end of the lesson. Stay safe and healthy at all times. Thank you and goodbye.